Welcome back, money makers. This was your boy Duran. As always, I stay making you make opportunities. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can earn money from the Snapchat Creator Program. I bet you didn't even know that that exists, but it does. People are making money anywhere from $200 to $480 per month with the Snapchat Creator. You have the Snapchat Revenue Share Program. Basically, if you are a creator that consistently shares stories on Snapchat, and if so, you can start to create content and then can post it as stories, and you can start to get money from doing that. You can see click here to click how you qualify by clicking on those requirements. But if you want another avenue, if you don't think you want to do that particular program, they have other ones. They have Spotlight rewards. So basically, creators have the opportunity to receive rewards if and their Spotlight, posts meet their eligible requirements during the eligibility period. And then you can click here to see what the actual requirements are. So how does Snapchat determine who is eligible to participate in the Snapchat reward program? So Snapchatters have the opportunity to receive rewards or money if their spotlight if and their spotlight snaps meet specific eligibilities during the eligibility period. The eligibility period means the preceding calendar month calculated using specific time. Creator eligibility. To be considered a qualifying creator, you must meet all of the following criteria during the eligibility period. You must be a legal resident of an eligible country. You must have a profile set to public. Your Snapchat account must be at least 1 month old. And then you must have at least 1,000 followers. So it's kind of similar in a way to YouTube, but it's not. You just need to have 1,000 followers. You don't have to have no watch hours, so that's a good thing. That's I feel like that's a little bit more easier to specific, and they might even change it from time to time. So just always be aware to come on here on this particular website. And Spotlight Snap eligibility. So you must have accumulated at least 10,000 unique video views. Well, it gets a little harder for the Spotlight Snap eligibility instead of the other one. And then they must have at least 10 unique snaps submitted on at least 5 different days. And then you must have consistent of at least 5 snaps utilizing Snapchat creative tools, lenses, filters, sounds. So just go ahead and read the rest of this article or what they talk about. And we're moving on to the next one. Then you have the paid partnership label where you can get paid from actually collaborating with different brands. So that's pretty nice. So you have 3 different earnings that you can do. And if you really were smart, you would do all 3 of them to increase your chances. So you can make over more than $480. That's in the thumbnail of this video. You can make more than that if you partner with all 3 of these. Now, a lot of people may not be eligible for one of them or 2 of them, but at least you might be eligible for one of them. And then you make sure that you follow these guidelines within your Snap application to have that toggle on, so brands can know to reach out to you if they want you to advertise on their particular brand. And not only will you be getting money from this, you'll be getting money from the Spotlight rewards, and you'll be getting money from the Snapchat Revenue Share program. So all three of them is good money. Let me know if this is something that you are interested in. I just thought this would be kind of cool to explain because a lot of people don't feel like really covering this because a lot of people don't use Snapchat, especially. I don't think any of maybe some of my friends might use it, but I think it's more Gen Z that uses this app than most of them. It's kind of, I have used it back in the day, but I'm not really a Snapchat person, so I leave that to the younger people. But other than that, let me know if this is something that you guys would like. You can increase your income by 3 times, doing those 3 different things. And if you like this, if it's not for you, we have over 230 some channel videos on the channel. So go find something that's relevant to you. If you don't like this, but other than that, thank you for liking, comment, and subscribing. We got over 330 subscribers now, so I'm so proud of that. We are really growing, continue to grow. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day. Take care, money makers. Bye.